Are you struggling with math? Do terms like annuity, accumulated value, and investment sound confusing? Don't worry. In today's video, we will break down Lecture 18 of Math 001 in the simplest way possible, so even if you haven't studied all semester, you'll understand everything in minutes. Welcome to EduTube, your ultimate guide for zero-semester virtual university Pakistan students. We've already covered Lecture 17 in previous topics, and today, we'll focus on Lecture 18, Applications of Basic Mathematics, continued. This is part of our Final Exam Preparation Series, where we simplify everything for you. So, if you're preparing last minute, this video is perfect for you. So let's get started. 1. What is an annuity? A one-time payment. B. A series of equal payments made at regular intervals. C. A random investment plan. D. A type of stock. Checkmark correct answer. B. A series of equal payments made at regular intervals. Open book explanation. An annuity is a series of fixed payments made over time, such as monthly rent or pension payments. 2. Which of the following is an example of an annuity? A. Salary received every month. B. A sudden bonus from a company. C. Winning the lottery in one lump sum. D. Buying a car with full payment upfront. Checkmark correct answer. A. Salary received every month. Open book explanation. Salaries are paid regularly, making them an annuity. 3. What is the difference between an ordinary annuity and an annuity due? A. No difference. B. Ordinary annuity is paid at the beginning of the period. Annuity due is at the end. C. Ordinary annuity is paid at the end of the period. Annuity due is at the beginning. D. Ordinary annuity is paid monthly. Annuity due is paid yearly. Checkmark correct answer. C. Ordinary annuity is paid at the end of the period. Annuity due is at the beginning. Open book explanation. In an ordinary annuity, payments are made at the end, while in an annuity due, payments are made at the beginning. Accumulated value. 4. What does the accumulated value of an annuity represent? A. The total amount paid without interest. B. The future value of the annuity including interest. C. The present value of the annuity. D. The amount left after deductions. Checkmark correct answer. B. The future value of the annuity including interest. Open book explanation. The accumulated value is the total worth of an annuity, considering all payments and interest earned over time. 5. If you invest $500 annually for 5 years at 6% interest, what will be the accumulated value? A. $2,500. B. $2,700. C. $2,818.50. D. $3,000. Checkmark correct answer. C. $2,818.50. Open book explanation. Using the annuity formula A equals R times 1 plus R, N1, R, we calculate the total accumulated amount. Accumulation factor and discount factor. 6. What is the accumulation factor used for? A. To calculate the present value of money. B. To determine how much an investment will grow over time. C. To measure the loss in investment. D. To calculate discounts. Checkmark correct answer. B. To determine how much an investment will grow over time. Open book explanation. The accumulation factor helps calculate the future value of an investment by incorporating interest over time. 7. What does the discount factor represent? A. The percentage of tax applied on investments. B. The amount deducted as a penalty. C. The present value of future payments. D. The accumulated interest on an investment. Checkmark correct answer. C. The present value of future payments. Open book explanation. The discount factor is used to calculate how much future money is worth today, based on a given interest rate. Discounted value. 8. If a payment of $1,000 is due in 2 years at a 5% discount rate, what is its discounted value today? A. $850. B. $900. C. $907.03. D. $950. Checkmark correct answer. C. $907.03. Open book explanation. Using the discounted value formula PV equals FV, 1 plus R, N, we calculate the present worth of the payment. 9. What happens to the discounted value of a payment if the discount rate increases? A. It increases. B. It decreases. C. It remains the same. D. It doubles. Checkmark correct answer. B. It decreases. Open book explanation. A higher discount rate reduces the present value of future payments. Algebraic operations. 10. Which of the following is not an algebraic operation? A. Addition. B. Multiplication. C. Subtraction. D. Differentiation. Checkmark correct answer. D. Differentiation. Open book explanation. Differentiation is a calculus operation, not an algebraic operation. 11. Solve for x. 2 times 5 equals 9a, x equals 7b, x equals 5c, x equals 6d, x equals 8 checkmark correct answer. C, x equals 7 open book explanation. Adding 5 to both sides, 2x equals 14, then dividing by 2, x equals 7. Investments. 12. Which type of investment generally offers the highest return? A. Fixed deposits. B. Savings accounts. C. Stock market investments. D. Government bonds. Checkmark correct answer. C. Stock market investments. Open book explanation. Stocks usually have higher risks but can generate greater returns over time. 13. What is compound interest? A. Interest applied only to the principal amount. B. Interest applied to both the principal and accumulated interest. C. Fixed interest applied yearly. D. A type of government tax. Checkmark correct answer. B. Interest applied to both the principal and accumulated interest. Open book explanation. Compound interest grows faster because it applies interest to the total amount, including past interest. Exponents. 14. What is 2 to the power of 4? A. 4b, 8c, 16d, 32 checkmark correct answer. C. 16 open book explanation. 2 to the power of 4 equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 equals 16. 15. What is the inverse of 3 to the power of 5? A. 1/3 to the power of 5b, 3 to the power of 2c, 5 to the power of 3d, 3 to the power of 5 checkmark correct answer. D. 3 to the power of 5 open book explanation. The inverse of an exponent x to the power of n is x to the power of n. Solving linear equations. 16. What is the solution for 5x plus 2 equals 17? A. X equals 3b, x equals 5c, x equals 7d, x equals 10 checkmark correct answer. B. X equals 3 open book explanation. Subtracting 2 from both sides. 5x equals 15, then dividing by 5, x equals 3. 17. Which of the following is a linear equation? A. X squared plus 5 equals 0b, 3x plus 7 equals 10c, 2x cubed 4x equals 5d, xy equals 9 checkmark correct answer. B. 3x plus 7 equals 10 open book explanation. A linear equation has the form x plus b equals c, where x has a power of 1. 18. What happens to the total amount in an annuity if the interest rate increases? A. It decreases. B. It remains the same. C. It increases. D. It depends on the type of annuity. Checkmark correct answer. C. It increases. Open book explanation. A higher interest rate increases the future value of an annuity because more interest is earned over time. 19. What is the formula to calculate the future value of an annuity? A. FV equals R times 1 plus R, caret N1, RB, FV equals P, 1 plus R, caret TC, FV equals R times ND, FV equals P, 1 plus R, caret T checkmark correct answer. A. FV equals R times 1 plus R, caret N1, R open book explanation. This formula is used to determine how much an annuity will be worth in the future, considering regular payments and interest. Accumulated value. 20. If an investment earns compound interest, how does the accumulated value grow? A. Linearly. B. Exponentially. C. Randomly. D. Slowly at first, then stops. Checkmark correct answer. B. Exponentially. Open book explanation. Compound interest makes the accumulated value grow faster over time because interest is added to both the principal and previously earned interest. 21. If a person deposits $100 monthly into an account with a 5% annual interest rate, will the accumulated value be higher or lower than simple interest? A. Higher. B. Lower. C. The same. D. Depends on the number of months. Checkmark correct answer. A. Higher. Open book explanation. Compound interest increases the accumulated value because interest is earned on previously earned interest. Accumulation factor and discount factor. 22. The accumulation factor is used to find A. Present value of money. B. Future value of money. C. Discount percentage. D. Monthly salary. Checkmark correct answer. B. Future value of money. Open book explanation. The accumulation factor helps determine how much an investment will grow over time. 23. What is the relationship between the accumulation factor and the discount factor? A. They are the same. B. They are inverses of each other. C. They both decrease value. D. They both increase value. Checkmark correct answer. B. They are inverses of each other. Open book explanation. The accumulation factor finds future value, while the discount factor finds present value. Discounted value. 24. If a payment of $1,000 is due in 5 years at a 4% discount rate, its present value will be A. Less than $1,000. B. more than $1,000 C. Exactly $1,000 D. Cannot be determined. Checkmark. Correct answer. A. Less than $1,000 open book explanation. The discounted value is always less than the future value because money today is worth more than money in the future. 25. If the discount rate is 0%, what happens to the discounted value? A. It becomes 0. B. It becomes equal to the future value. C. It increases. D. It is always negative. Checkmark. Correct answer. B. It becomes equal to the future value. Open book explanation. With 0% discount rate, there is no reduction, so the present value equals the future value. Algebraic operations. 26. What is the result of 2x plus 3x 5? A. X plus 8b, x 2c, x plus 2d, 3 by 8. Checkmark. Correct answer. A. X plus 8. Open book explanation. Expanding the expression. 2x plus 3x 5 equals 2x plus 3x plus 5 equals x plus 8. 27. What happens when you multiply any number by 0? A. It stays the same. B. It becomes 0. C. It doubles. D. It becomes 1. Checkmark. Correct answer. B. It becomes 0. Open book explanation. Any number multiplied by 0 is always 0. Investments. 28. Which factor is most important in deciding an investment? A. The amount of initial deposit. B. The bank location. C. The interest rate. D. The type of currency. Checkmark. Correct answer. C. The interest rate. Open book explanation. A higher interest rate means a better return on investment. 29. If you invest $1,000 at 10% interest per year, how much will you have after 3 years with simple interest? A. $1,300. B. $1,500. C. $1,700. D. $1,900. Checkmark. Correct answer. B. $1,300. Open book explanation. Simple interest formula. E equals P plus P times R times T equals 1,000 plus 1,000 times 0.1 times 3 equals 1,300. Exponents. 30. What is the value of 5 to the power of 3? A. 15b, 25c, 125d, 225. Checkmark. Correct answer. C. 125. Open book explanation. 5 to the power of 3 equals 5 times 5 times 5 equals 125. 31. If 2 caret x equals 16, what is the value of x? A. 2b, 3c, 4d, 5. Checkmark. Correct answer. C. 4. Open book explanation. Since 2 to the power of 4 equals 16, x must be 4. Solving linear equations. 32. Solve for x. 4 times 7 equals 9a, x equals 2b, x equals 3c, x equals 4d, x equals 5. Checkmark. Correct answer. C. X equals 4. Open book explanation. Adding 7 to both sides. 4x equals 16. Then dividing by 4. X equals 4. 33. What type of solution does the equation 3x plus 5 equals 3 by 5 have? A. 1 solution. B. No solution. C. Infinite solutions. D. 2 solutions. Checkmark. Correct answer. B. No solution. Open book explanation. If both sides are equal, the equation has no unique solution. 34. If a linear equation has 2 variables, how many solutions does it have? A. 1b, 2c, infinite. D. No solution. Checkmark. Correct answer. C. Infinite. Open book explanation. A linear equation with 2 variables represents a line with infinite solutions. 35. Which method is commonly used to solve linear equations? A. Substitution method. B. Integration. C. Differentiation. D. Logarithms. Checkmark. Correct answer. A. Substitution method. Open book explanation. The substitution method is a standard way to solve linear equations by replacing one variable with an expression. Quick review of Lecture 18. In this lecture, we covered several important mathematical concepts. Let's quickly revise each of them in simple words. Keycap 1. Annuity. An annuity is a series of equal payments made at regular intervals, monthly, yearly, etc. For example, if you deposit $100 every month into a savings account, that's an annuity. The future value of an annuity depends on interest rate and time. Higher interest means more money in the future. Keycap 2. Accumulated value. Accumulated value means the total amount of money after a certain period when interest is added. If you invest money, its value grows over time due to interest. In simple words, it's how much your money will be worth in the future. Keycap 3. Accumulation factor. This tells us how much an investment grows over time. It's like a multiplier that shows the impact of interest. The higher the accumulation factor, the more money you will have in the future. Keycap 4 Discount Factor. The discount factor is the opposite of the accumulation factor. It helps to find the present value of a future amount. If someone promises to give you $1,000 after 5 years, the actual worth of that money today is less because of inflation and lost investment opportunities. Keycap 5 Discounted Value. The discounted value is how much a future amount is worth today. It helps in investment decisions. For example, if a company will pay you $5,000 in 3 years, you can calculate how much it's worth right now. Keycap 6 Algebraic Operations. Algebraic operations include addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of algebraic expressions. For example, in 2x plus 3x 5, we solve step by step to simplify the equation. Keycap 7 Investments. An investment is when you put money in something, like a bank or business, to get more money in the future. The main factors in investments are interest rate, time, and risk. A higher interest rate means more profit. Keycap 8 Exponents. Exponents tell us how many times a number is multiplied by itself. For example, 5 to the power of 3 means 5 times 5 times 5 equals 125. Exponents are used in growth calculations, like compound interest. Keycap 9 Solving linear equations. A linear equation has a variable x and follows a simple form like 2x plus 3 equals 7. We solve it step by step. Subtract 3 from both sides. Right pointing arrow 2x equals 4. Divide by 2. Right pointing arrow x equals 2. Linear equations help in finance, physics, and business calculations. Final summary. Annuity. Right pointing arrow regular payments over time. Accumulated value. Right pointing arrow total amount after interest is added. Accumulation factor. Right pointing arrow how much an investment grows. Discount factor. Right pointing arrow finds present value of future money. Discounted value. Right pointing arrow worth of future money today. Algebraic operations. Right pointing arrow basic mathematical calculations. Investments. Right pointing arrow putting money in something to get more money. Exponents. Right pointing arrow repeated multiplication of a number. Solving linear equations. Right pointing arrow finding unknown values of an equation. That's it for lecture 18. We covered important concepts like annuities, accumulated value, investments, and solving linear equations in the easiest way possible. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who are also preparing for the final exam. Next, we'll cover lecture 19, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And if you missed any of the previous lectures, check out our MATH001 Final Exam Preparation playlist. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep growing.